Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Mr. or Miss. My name is Syamsul Aryana. My student ID number is 33 21 0039 from class 33 7A point 01. Now I'm here to create a video for hair, uh, hair or remedial assignment for advanced listening, and the assignment is to retell the five links in in the question. Okay, let's start from uh, first link first link YouTube. In this video, in this first video link video, Josh Kaufman approach to rapid skill acquisition, interwoven with personal anecdotes about the speaker's experience with becoming a parent and learning to play the guitar. Josh Kaufman rapid skill acquisition method. Debunking the 10,000 hour myth. Kaufman challenged the idea that mastering a skill requires 10,000 hours of practice, arguing that significant progress can be made much faster. He points out the impracticality of this time frame, equating it to a full-time job for 5 years. He highlights research that contradicts this idea, showing that proficiency can be achieved in far less time. The 20 hours rule. Kaufman proposed that dedicating 20 hours of focused practice to a skill can lead to substantial improvement. Deconstructing skills. The key to rapid learning is breaking down complex skills into smaller, manageable components. This allows for targeted practice and focused improvement in specific areas. Focused practice. By practicing these smaller components, learners can quickly see progress and build confidence. The research shows that a short period of practice and training can lead to skillfulness. Personal anecdotes. Parenthood. The speakers reflects on the life-changing experience of becoming a father 2 years ago. He describes the challenge of learning new parenting skills, such as dressing a child and the chaos of balancing work and parenting. This is used to show how even large and overwhelming skill sets can be learned. Learning guitar. The speaker decided to test Kaufman's 20-hour rules by learning to play the guitar. He details the initial steps, including acquiring the instrument and setting up the necessary tools. He includes the humorous story of realizing his guitar was missing strings. Reflection on love and loneliness. The speaker includes a section of personal reflection on relationship and feelings of loneliness. This section is more emotional and reflective, and includes humor and gratitude. In a sense, the next combines practical advice on skill acquisition with relatable personal stories, making the learning process more engaging and accessible. Okay, that is for first link. And next, the second link. Mariana Atencio talk focuses on the power of embracing individuality and celebrating differences. She shares her personal journey from Venezuela to the United States, highlighting the challenge and triumph of navigating diverse cultures and identities. Early life and exposure to diversity. Atencio parents instilled in her a global perspective from a young age, encouraging her to explore different cultures. Childhood experience like summer camps taught her about the emotional challenge of feeling different and the universal desire for belonging. Discovering individuality. A talent show experience helped her recognize and celebrate her unique talents, emphasizing the importance of self-expression. Immigration and identity. Atencio moved to the US in the 2008, brought challenges related to identity and belonging, particularly as an immigrant. Covering significant events like Barack Obama's election exposed her to the complexities of racial tensions and identity in the US. Humanizing immigration. Atencio shares stories of children facing the threat of family separation due to immigration issues, emphasizing the emotional toll and the need for empathy. She tries to humanize the people involved in the immigration process, resilience and embracing difference. She shares her sister's recovery journey, highlighting the importance of resilience and accepting differences. Atencio emphasized that one's identity should not be defined by challenge or external perceptions, but by one true self. She stressed that everyone has their own struggles. The overall message: celebrate the things that make you different, find you belong, and embrace diversity. Okay, that's it for second link. And next, the third link. Meteorological cars talk centers on the idea that a conventional rigid plan is not necessary for a fulfilling career and life. She shares her own journey into acting, highlighting the importance of patient resilience and embracing unexpected opportunities. Passion over plan. Palkar emphasized that following your passion even without a clear plan can lead to unexpected success and fulfillment. She illustrates this with her own experience of transitioning into acting after initially pursuing other paths, embracing challenge and rejection. She acknowledged the challenge of pursuing a creative career, including family resistance and frequent rejection. She stressed that these challenges are a normal part of the journey and that perseverance is crucial. Learning from failure. Palkar highlights the importance of building resilience and learning from failures. She explains how setbacks and can lead to new opportunities and the development of a supportive network. She knows how exploring new media like web series can open new doors. Openness to unexpected opportunities. She encouraged listeners to be open to unexpected opportunities that arise from spontaneous decisions and actions. She emphasized the value of experimentation and embracing uncertainty. Pursuing a celebrity to show an impulsive nature of following a passion. In a sense, Palkar's message is about embracing the unknown, following your passion, and being open to the opportunities that come your way, even if you don't have a perfectly mapped out plan. Okay, next to fourth link, fourth link YouTube. This video highlights Stephen Jr. philosophy that achieving ambitious goals is not about innate talent, but about making small, consistent adjustments to your routines and decision making. He uses examples like Chuck Close and Novak Djokovic to illustrate how incremental improvement can lead to mastery and significant achievements. Daniel shared his own journey from a C student to a Dean's list scholar and successful professional by breaking down tasks into smaller, manageable parts. He also emphasized the power of utilizing otherwise waste time, like commuting for personal development, such as learning new language. He argues that even daunting goals like learning a language or getting fit can be achieved by reframing them into small, actionable steps. His personal experience, including learning German, hiking, and reading 50 books, demonstrate this principle. Furthermore, he recounts his creative endeavors, such as yarn bombing and setting a Guinness World Record, which were born from ambitious goals and a willingness to learn. This project highlights the power of collaboration and community in achieving seemingly impossible feats. Ultimately, Daniel's message is one of empowerment. Anyone can achieve their dreams through consistent, incremental progress. He encouraged listeners to revive their own ambitions by making small adjustments, emphasizing that even marginal change can lead to substantial progress over time. And last, the fifth links YouTube. This video explores the profound impact of language on individuals and society. It begins by emphasizing the natural ability of children to learn languages, particularly before the age of 7, and how multilingualism enriches personal experiences and cultural understanding. It then delves into the concept of linguistic relativity, explaining how language shapes thought and behavior. Language barriers can create challenge, but understanding how different languages perceive the world, from grammatical gander to untranslatable words, reveals the deep connection between language and culture. Example, like the German and Spanish perception of key, or the Hebrew word zdram, highlight these cultural nuances. The text also discusses how language influences memory and emotion, suggesting that a richer vocabulary enhances our ability to understand and recall experiences. The desire to travel, for example, can be encapsulated in a single word that reflects a complex emotional state. Finally, the video advocates for multilingual education as a means to bridge social divides and foster peace. Programs like the one in Java, teaching both Arabic and Hebrew, demonstrate how language learning can promote mutual respect and understanding. The text concludes by emphasizing Helen Keller's insight that language opens new realms of thought and fosters deeper comprehension of the world, underscoring the importance of multilingualism in creating a more understanding and connected society. So that's all from me to read links, the five links YouTube. Thank you for listening and thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.